So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to flip text vertical on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, I'm just going to go ahead here and add some text to my presentation. I'm then going to type in the word vertical just like this, and then I'm going to make the text a little bit larger in size so it's easier for you guys to see. So here's my text right here. If you want to flip it, press on the text, go to the top right to where it says arrange, press on arrange, then go down to where it says rotate, and you want to hover over this option right here where it says flip the object vertically. If you press that, the object, as you can tell, flips vertically. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to flip text vertical on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.